Cheers is guwapa ini.
Salamat po. So, Miss Ashley, how was your experience na going here in Cebu? Actually, second time ko na dito and kapag bumabalik ako dito, alam mo yun, parang umuwi ako lagi masaya. Lagi kasi mag-welcome talaga. Grabe lang naman, tupuan ko! Ang sarap naman.
Of course, Panis Salison. Of course, not just from Cebu, you also have a lot of fans also that come here even from Manila, so not just from Cebu, they are also here. But before that, there are a lot of kids right here and a lot of young children here that also want to become like you in the future, to become an artist. Do you have any advice for them?
Siguro continue chasing your dreams, follow your heart, and don't forget to believe in yourself, and of course, don't forget to pray. Samahan natin ang faith. Yan.